A wise man was once asked, "What is most astonishing about humans?" He answered, "Humans get tired of childhood, rush to grow up, then long to be children again. They sacrifice their health to accumulate wealth, then spend their wealth to regain their health. They worry about the future and forget the present, so they don't live their present or future. They live as if they will never die, and they die as if they never lived." Be sure to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell, so you never miss an opportunity to expand your mind, nurture your soul, and discover the transformative power of wisdom.